Alright guys, we've made it out to the pond. I should be at school right now, right? Wrong. We just had a major flood and all the what the hell? All the bridges are down, like they're all flooded over. But this pond's only 5 miles from my house. Yeah, I came here a couple days ago. Wow, I'm gonna take my socks off. We gotta walk through a lot of water to get there. We got 11 inches of rain in, what, like 5 hours last night?
Yep.
Yeah. So, we chose pond instead of river for today. Pretty bold choice, I'd say. All right, let's start fishing. Oh, yuck. Oh, shoot, I said I was gonna take my socks off.
I think I have a towel in here. Yeah, no. Damn it.
Do or don't?
I don't. What else should I bring? Senko, I gotta bring it.
You puss.
Oh, fuck it. I don't want you Senkos, it's cheating.
Senko's is cheating. Alright, so then there's me with one pole, one rod, one reel out here. Then there's Riley with how many? 5?
Yeah, I'm not gonna bring the...
Oh, yuck.
Cheating. Oh, Jesus.
Wow, this water is up.
Oh, there was a fish.
Serious?
Yeah, right in the flood water.
Nuh-uh.
Alright, my shoes are soaked already, fuck it. Yeah, I'm gonna hit this fish.
There's a bass right here?
Oh, I just don't know. Oh, that's a... It is a bass.
That was a
It's
bass.
swimming this way.
Yeah, but it's a
Ready?
little bass.
Well, go chase him.
No, I'm good. I want to go catch the big ones.
Backlash or not?
I might rename this video Fishing in Puddles because this flood, like normally I park right here. Get out of my way. Stupid Senko. I normally park right here, but today we're casting here. Alright, so with the water being really high and really dirty, I cannot do a topwater frog anymore. So, tied on this Ruckus River to Sea lipless crankbait. It's got a really nice rattle to it, so I'm going to try and draw these fish out with vibration. Riley's over there. We're going to try and get out here and fish deep. Yeah, I'll take the camera with me. Hole just hit me. Legit. Just hit me. I don't care if my car's worth $1,200 and yours is worth like $12. You just hit me. Well, we're out here at pond number 3 on this no school day, even though it's 6 p.m. And yeah, I'm not talking to myself, I'm talking to the video. Yeah. How many more asshole things you gonna do today? Like I was saying, we're out here at pond number 3, and it's really wet, of course. I'm gonna start with the lipless crankbait. Probably not gonna catch anything. I might upload this video just to show you guys reasons why not to go fishing after a flood. Come on, this is gross. Oh! did.
Let's fucking turn it on. Let's fucking do it. I'm excited now.
Riley keeps getting snagged on these rocks that are up on the shore. He's about to break his $200 rod. No, let me get it. Hey, ah. Dude, I can get it with my Crocs. Gosh damn. Woo, slipping. I got it. Your whopper flopper would do work. I almost caught one. Yes, absolutely. I need my little frog. I think that's what I'm gonna tie on.
I just lifted it up and I was just pulling it in and I had one.
Oh my gosh, he's huge. No, he's gone. Catch him. I want him on the video. I know. And this is post one. Oh. What? Did you see that?
I did actually.
I hope the camera did. Dude, I wasn't even watching. I just felt it pull my rod back. Alright. I had 4 blow-ups. And the frog, they just couldn't fit in their mouth because the bass here are really small. I'm just trying to catch a fish before the day's over. So I tied on this really little frog I just got in the mail today. Never used a frog this small in my life. We're going to try it. Because if I get a blow-up with this thing, I should be able to catch it. Alright, today was pretty shitty. Basically because of the floods, the bass just were deciding not to hit anything. We threw a lot of shit. I had 4 blow-ups and I didn't catch anything because, I don't know. You?
I probably had 2 misses, one on the spinnerbait, one on a blue brush hog. The other one I got, but it was probably only 6 inches.
Yeah, it was a little guy. So that was our one fish all day, and we've been fishing for like 3.5 hours.
Yep, 3.5 hours.
And these are ponds. Yeah, 3 different ponds, 3.5 hours, and these are ponds that I will catch a lot of fish out of. This one I'll normally pull 10 bass out of in an hour and a half. We've been here for an hour and a half. How did we pull out? 1. All right. So it's a very, very shitty experience, but this is the reason why you don't fish after a flood. Or at least the
6 inches of water.
Morning after a flood. What? Alright, let's get out of here.